Hello everyone, this is Jack Frost with your daily update for the Ethereum Technicals and Solana. For the Ethereum Technicals overall, price has moved sideways after this last low where price found support at 2100 for the very short term, finding support at 2400. Volume supports upwards movement for the short term with strongest volume on these bullish candlesticks and a push on this most recent bullish candlestick just here. For the midterm, this spike in volume could indicate that the low may be sustained at this time, as I have mentioned in previous videos, though we do require bullish or bearish confirmation. ADX continues to increase with an extreme bearish trend. On-balance volume has found a new support range. RSI is neutral and overall increasing after this last low here, where price found support at 2100 and RSI entered oversold. Money flow is neutral and overall increasing, having failed to enter oversold where price found its previous low. Both RSI and money flow have a little bit of room to move before they may enter oversold and quite a bit before they may enter overbought. Additionally, neither exhibit divergence at this time frame. ATR has declined and begun to overall flatten out as price moves sideways, giving an overall bullish outlook for volatility where ATR has previously increased along with price. As this trend indicated by ADX is extreme, it may indicate that the low could be sustained at this point, as I have previously mentioned, though this trend can continue to very extreme conditions, while RSI and money flow may enter oversold and or exhibit some divergence before the trend may be in danger of ending. This trend suggests that price may continue lower. On the main Solana daily chart, this wave count sees primary wave 4 complete at this last low just here, with price to now increase for primary wave 5 and the end of cycle wave 3. Cycle wave 3 has a target calculated at 2887, which is the 11.09 extreme Fibonacci ratio between that and cycle wave 1. As upwards movement is expected to continue, a break above this Elliott channel drawn around primary wave 4 would add confidence to this wave count, and an additional high above 193.6182 would add further confidence to this wave count, as it is the invalidation for the alternate, which I will get to in a minute, and additionally it would break the pattern of lower lows and lower highs. Within primary wave 5, any second wave corrective movement cannot move below its start at 111.4255, meaning if minute wave 2 wants to move any lower, it cannot move below this point. And this daily alternate chart sees primary wave 4 incomplete to continue lower for minute wave 3 within minor wave C of intermediate wave Y. A target range is calculated for the intermediate and minor degree movements between 84 and 95. 95.3167 is the 1.618 logarithmic Fibonacci ratio of minor wave A, which is the target for minor wave C, and 84.7439 is the 1.618 logarithmic Fibonacci ratio of intermediate wave W, which is the target for intermediate wave Y. This range gives an idea for where these waves may be labeled complete. An additional low below 111.4255 would add further confidence to this wave count, as it is the invalidation for the main wave count as previously shown. And as price continues lower, this best fit channel drawn around primary wave 4 is expected to provide support as price continues. An additional high above 193.6182 would invalidate this wave count, as it would see minute wave 2 moving above the start of minute wave 1, though if price continues upwards, then minute wave 2 may find resistance at the upper edge of the best fit channel. On the technical daily chart for Solana, price has overall consolidated within this range between resistance at 190 and support between 127 and 118, for the very short term declining after finding resistance at 190 with this low here as price broke just below support at 118. For the very short term, price is consolidating between resistance at 157 and support at 127, where price is currently. Volume supports upwards movement with the strongest volume on the bullish candlesticks and a push on this most recent completed candlestick just here, though there is some strength in downwards movement at this time frame with a push on some of the bearish candlesticks. Volume does overall support upwards movement. ADX continues to increase with a bearish trend that is not extreme and not yet in danger of ending, expecting price to continue lower. RSI is neutral and increasing with some bullish divergence, where RSI moves a little bit higher while price has closed lower on this candlestick here and this candlestick here. Money flow is neutral and increasing. Both RSI and money flow have some room to move before they may enter overbought or oversold, and ATR is declining as price moves overall sideways, giving a bullish outlook for volatility as it previously increased along with price. As this trend indicated by ADX is not yet extreme, it does expect price to continue lower, which supports the alternate Elliott wave count at this time frame. That's all for me with your daily update for Solana and the Ethereum Technicals. As always, if you want the Ethereum Elliott Wave count, you can sign up for that today at pureelliottwave.com using the link in the description below. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a good day.